महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण योऽन्वहम् प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगतामदोषताम् सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रताम् समाहितायुरष्टभूति समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरात् महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण योऽन्वहम् प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगतामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रताम् समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरात् Now can we chant it all together from beginning to end with tabla? I hope it's okay. Remember, after each line we cannot give any gap. Immediately you have to jump to the next line as per the beats go. Okay? All together, let's start. Shri Ganesha Pancharatnam. Together. मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नवोदितार्कभास्वरन् नमत्सुरारिनिर्जरन् नताधिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरन् निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं कुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतान् नमस्करोमि भास्वरन् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनम् सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणं नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहि मन्तराय कृन् रत्नमादरेण योऽन्वहम् प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् तामदोषतां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां रष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरात् समाहितायुरष्टभूति. Since time is there, one more round will do from the beginning. Once again. मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकं नायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम्. अदोष अरोगतामदोषताम् समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरात्. What I noticed, wonderful, wonderful, good. This line, the first line, some of you, the entire thing you are chanting, after coming here, some are stopping. So this first line, once again, we'll repeat it. See, we should not break it. But for learning purpose, we broke yesterday also, and today also I will do that, so that you learn it. Nitanta kanta danta kanti.
Nitanta kanta danta kanti. Nitanta kanta danta kanti.
Manta kanta katmajam.
Manta kanta katmajam. Manta kanta katmajam.
Now slowly I'll repeat the entire thing. Try to repeat it twice. Nitanta kanta danta kanti manta kanta katmajam.
Nitanta kanta danta kanti manta kanta katmajam. Nitanta kanta danta kanti manta kanta katmajam.
Achintya rupamantahina.
Achintya rupamantahina. Achintya rupamantahina.
Mantaraya kruntanam.
Mantaraya kruntanam.
Achintya rupamantahina mantaraya kruntanam.
Achintya rupamantahina mantaraya kruntanam. Achintya rupamantahina mantaraya kruntanam.
Last two stanza all together, okay? Nitanta kanta danta kanti manta kanta katmajam. Achintya rupamantahina mantaraya kruntanam. Nirantaram vasantameva yoginam tamekadantameva tam vichintayami सन्ततं महागणेश पञ्चरत्न मादरेण योऽन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरं रोगतामदोषतां सुसाहिते सुपुत्रताम् नभ्युपैति सोचिरात् समाहितायुरष्टभूति इति श्रीगणेशपञ्चरत्नं समाप्तम्.
Namaste all. So, as you already know, physiotherapy is a branch of modern medical science which includes diagnosis and management of different ailments, which is mainly concerned with functional independence. So, World Physiotherapy Day is observed on every year September 8th. So, for the first time, we are also going to conduct World Physiotherapy Day. So, we are going to conduct it on 10th of this month. So, it will be organized by School of Physiotherapy, SVSA. So, it will be started off with a main program that will be conducted by the students of physiotherapy. The main is related to the importance of physiotherapy. After that, is it audible? And after that, there will be a talk by Dr. Srihari Sharma. He is the Vice Principal of Dayanand Sagar College of Physiotherapy. That talk is related to physiotherapy in holistic health. So, as it is related to holistic health, all students can be joined in that program. So, you can inform, and it will be conducted in School of Physiotherapy, SUSA. After that, there will be a quiz program. That quiz is related to health related quiz. So for that also, every students can be joined, and the venue and further details will be informed later. Thank you. So if you have any doubt related to that, you can inform. Thank you.
Hari Om, Namaste. So as announced earlier, we are celebrating the Sanskrit week from 16th to 21st September. So there are certain competitions are there. So all of you can participate in the competitions, and most of them are being conducted for your comfort in English. Okay. The first competition is recitation, Kanta Patha Spardha, Shloka recitation. So there are 3 texts are there. So you can choose any one of them and you can recite. The first one is Patanjala Yoga Sutram, the first and second part of Patanjala Yoga Sutram, or Ashtanga Hridayam, Dinacharya Adhyaya of Ashtanga Hridayam, or Brihad Jatakam of Varaha Mihira, there Graha Bheda Adhyaya, the second chapter, the Graha Bheda Adhyaya of Brihad Jatakam. Among these 3, you can choose any one of the text of the portion what is given. You have to memorize it and you have to recite it without seeing the text. And then the second competition is Sanskrit song competition, solo, either classical or non-classical, both can be sung. If you need any help about the songs, what are the songs in Sanskrit, you can ask in the spirituality department. The third competition is speech competition. The topics are, there are 2 topics. Again, you have to choose any one of the topics, and you have to speak about that in 5 minutes. The first topic is importance of Sanskrit. Second topic is Indian knowledge systems. So among these 2, you have to choose any one and speak for 5 minutes. The fourth one is reels making. The title is Importance of Sanskritam. It can be done either in Sanskrit language or in English language for 59 seconds. You know, we see reels in Facebook and Instagram. So you have to make reels and you have to submit it before 17th of September. So for more rules and regulations and dates, please contact either me or Usha Rani Madam of our Yoga and Spirituality Division. We will be sitting in the Dean's office of Yoga and Spirituality Division. You can come and register yourself, and if you have any doubt for rules and regulations, you can contact there. Thank you.
Very good morning to all. All of us know that Lord Ganesh has a standing instruction from Bhagavan Shankar that he has to visit all our homes on the day of Bhadrapada Masa Chaturthi Tithi, Shukla Paksha. But just now we received message from Kailas, WhatsApp message, our register sir, that Lord Shankar is Bhagavan Shankar is very happy. As Sriparna Didi is every day we're chanting Ganesh Pancharatna, is very, very happy, and he has given a special instruction to Lord Ganesh that Ganesh has to visit our Prashanti Kutiram 3 times this year, not 1 time. Okay, that is special instruction. The first Ganesh will be coming tomorrow, and SVASA is hosting as a day 1 tomorrow at Santosha Hall. That is called Yoga Ganapati. And Lord Ganesh again visiting on 9th as Veda Ganapati, that is Ayurveda Ganapati at Shushruta Ayurvedic College at Atreya Hall. Again Ganesh is visiting us as a Shushrusha Ganapati, Nursing College, on 11th. Okay, so we are blessed, 3 times Ganesh is visiting. But Lord Ganesh has made 3 conditions applied for this. The first condition is all Ganesh has to return back on same day, not in a different day. That is on 11th. So 11th we will have a very grand Visarjana from all 3 Ganesh with all students and all faculty together. Second condition, management has to give prasadam every day. So management has agreed for that, and every day evening bhajan session will be shifted to Santosha Hall. Okay, from tomorrow bhajan session will be shifted to Santosha Hall. All students are requested to attend bhajans, and after bhajans 5 days 5 different prasadam will be given from the management. And Sushruta students also, management has agreed for given prasadam in the morning puja. Sushruta and nursing only 1 day will be there, they will also given. And third condition, all students has to participate with complete 100% bhakti and bhava in puja and Visarjan day. That is the third condition. So I have agreed on behalf of you this point also. So that's why I am communicating you. Okay. So this is the glimpse. 3 Ganesha will be there. So all of you visit all 3 Ganeshas and take the blessings. Okay. Thank you all.
शांति मंत्र। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।